Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm here on my new listing. It's actually not really a new listing, but they done some renovation inside the house. So I will give you a tour of this house, and I hope to get some investor or someone that just really want to live here in Subic Bay, Freeport zone. The location of this house here is in Binictican. So there is a current extension on this property. 3 bedroom, 1 maid's room, 2 toilet and bath. So I'm gonna give you a tour from outside and even to the inside. So let's go, guys. As you can see, the garden is so huge. It's very well maintained. As you can see from the house itself, it's a different type of house already. So it's a flat house here in Binictican, but they already done some renovation. They extended as well, and there will be one carport, but you can use even up to the back. So this is an end unit corner lot as well. You can see from the door itself, so it's locked type of door. We cannot just get in without a certain pin combination. I don't know. Already inside the unit, so I will give you now a tour of this really cute, flat, beautiful, extended, just renovated house here in Binictican. On the entrance, you can see already the open concept of this unit. So you can see the dining area and then the kitchen. And then on the kitchen, we have also the living area. So I told you earlier, this is not a new listing anymore, but they done the renovation on the flooring because this used to be a vinyl or vinyl, but this is already been tiled properly. So as you can see on the kitchen, so they repainted it as well. Okay. So on this side, you will also see where the laundry will be. So this is also laundry slash maid's room because on the maid's room comes with the own toilet and bath. Okay. So there was also an extension here on the back, so with an access outside for drying of clothes. So as we continue, we are now on the back. I'm sorry, but I can really show it to you guys, but it's already extension. Some of the owner's stuff is still there, but I'm sorry, but you can't really see it, but I'll show you on the picture. That's another room. It can be converted into like a gym or a room, a guest room. So as we approach here, yeah, this is where all the master bedroom. As you can see, it's so huge. And then there is a cabinet, built-in cabinets. And then as you can see, they have a big windows. So there is also a split type AC already installed. So as you can see, it's very, very huge. Yeah. As we approach the second bedroom, as you can see, there is also a big window with a really nice view outside. And then there's a built-in cabinet and a bed. That's part of the sale. So it can easily fit a queen-size bed or even a king. So next we head on the other bedroom. So there is a cabinet in this side for storage. And then this can be a really good guest bedroom because there is own CR. Okay. As you can see, there's also a split type AC, a built-in cabinet, and its own CR. So as we approach, there is a shared bathroom in the two bedroom, as you can see. Right. And then there's also a bathtub, guys. Okay. So if you are interested in this property, you can email me at janice.stuka@gmail.com, and you can also check our Facebook fan page, Jigsaw Realty. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.